हेलो गाइस एंड वेलकम टू द चैनल। सो आज हम जिस ज़ोडिएक की रीडिंग्स लेंगे फ्रॉम 15th मई टू 31st ऑफ मई इज़ जेमिनी। सो चलें अपनी रीडिंग स्टार्ट करते हैं कि व्हाट विल हैपन विद जेमिनीज फ्रॉम 15th मई टू 31st ऑफ मई। प्रेजेंटली क्या सिनेरियो है, व्हाट विल हैपन, व्हाट आर द ऑब्स्टिकल्स, ये सब चीज़ें हम इस वीडियो में चेकआउट करेंगे। ठीक है, so let's begin with the readings. I'll pull out 7 cards for Geminis. So let's see. Gemini. What will happen, Gemini, from 15 to 31st of May? One last shuffle for Geminis. First card is Temperance. And what is crossing through as King of Wands. सो प्रेजेंट पोजीशन आपकी जेमिनाइज, मुझे कुछ ऐसा फील हो रहा है कि आप बहुत पेशेंस हो, यू आर लाइक इन अ वेरी काम सिचुएशन, लाइक वेरी हम्बल एंड नॉट बॉदरिंग एनीबडी। सो लेट्स सी आपके रीसेंट पास्ट में क्या सिनेरियो था। सो रीसेंट पास्ट में we have the hangman. So hangman is like delaying. If you have planned something Gemini, तो आपके plans जो हैं वो delay हो रहे हैं. So it's like that कि कुछ decisions ऐसे हैं, कुछ plans ऐसे हैं जो delay हो रहे हैं. So what we have above is communication, 8 of Wands. So it's all about communication, plannings, communication. You're being little emotional also. You're emotional also, Gemini. What's underneath? We have Knight of Pentacles. So again, plannings, stuck situation. There is a pause. There is a delay in your decisions, plannings. So you are passing this time period very calmly. Because मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है you're waiting for something to happen. चलिए let's see कि what is coming towards you, Gemini. Okay, we have 6 of Wands. So victory. Your plans will be fulfilled. You have victory ahead. Gemini, let me clear this. Why the 6 of Wands is here for Gemini? So yes, success, abundance. You are being loving yourself. You are being satisfied from your plannings. Whatever the decision you are making, whatever the planning you are making, you will be getting success in it, and it will give you abundance. It will give you comfort, luxury. You are being loving yourself. You are being loving yourself. Let's pull out some more messages for you, Gemini. Then we have the Chariot. So yes, obstacles, up and downs. You need to know the one perfect thing that can satisfy you, Gemini. There is a victory, and you will know where the obstacles are. You will know who is being cheating you, who is being fair to you. There are some hurdles in the way because you have created a boundary. You are making yourself safe. Let's see why this Chariot is here for Gemini. So you are guarded, yes. You're looking forward for the results. कुछ नाराज़गियाँ हैं. because underneath we have Knight of Wands. So yes, you're waiting for something to happen. Let's pull out one message for your future, near future. What will happen? Again, Empress. Yes, you're just giving time to yourself. You are planning to give time to your health, to your. You're loving yourself, Gemini. You need. You are being relaxing. You are giving time to yourself. You are making yourself comfortable in every situation, because plannings are being fulfilled. Your wishes will come true. There is a wish fulfillment card for you, Gemini. So yes, you are being spending time with yourself, with luxury, with comfort. Let's see why the Empress is here, guys. That's a very calm and positive reading for you, Gemini. That whatever you are being doing, you are taking views of different people, but you're doing, you're planning, you're making decisions by yourself, as you're listening all of the people around you, what they are about to say, what you are planning, what you are doing. So you are being little bit you're being spending your time with yourself. You want to enjoy the time coming ahead. So you're not bothering anybody. Your wish will be granted, Gemini. It's a very calm, humble kind of reading for you, Gemini. I hope if it resonates to you. And like, share, and subscribe if you think I'm doing a good job for you guys. So take care. I'm looking forward for your messages. Take care.